I believe you are talking about green hydrogen.
Green hydrogen.
Okay. So the status of green hydrogen is that we have a national green hydrogen mission, which was announced by our Honorable Prime Minister, and there is the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy has been monitoring it and initiating it. A lot of activities are happening around that. The target is 5 million tons of green hydrogen to be produced by 2030. Actually, if you see the hydrogen demand in India, because if you don't talk only of green hydrogen, the green hydrogen target is 5 million tons, but our demand by 2030 is expected to be about 13 million tons, because we need a lot of hydrogen in our refineries, fertilizer units, etc. So out of 13, 5 may be green, but there is a scope for increasing it further. We can even go up to 13, So there is a lot of opportunity, I must say, room available for, because we are also committed to reduce our carbon emissions. So there is an opportunity from that point of view. You see, people do talk about safety. When natural gas was introduced as a fuel, there were a lot of apprehensions people had. So I don't think that there is anything to fear about. Only thing is the precautions need to be taken with any fuel. Even with the petrol, you have to take precautions. Having said that, I come from the oil industry background. I've worked in Indian Oil for more than 37 years, and in the Federation of Petroleum Industry for 6 years. In the oil industry, we have been handling hydrogen for ages. We know how to handle, how to produce it, how to use it, how to store it, and so I don't think that there are any safety concerns. Another thing is that it is a very light gas. If it leaks, it just goes up in the air. Unlike that other fuels which will spread to the ground. So once it goes up, there is no possibility of hydrogen spreading. But still, we have to take precautions. There are safety regulations which have to be followed, and if all precautions are taken, safety practices are followed, I don't think there is anything to fear. We need to have proper safety regulations in place and followed up by the users.